Imagine reaching your golden years, only to find yourself struggling with frailty, weakness, and a body that feels like it's betraying you. It's a stark reality many face, but here's the good news. It doesn't have to be your story. By incorporating just 4 simple exercises into your routine now, you can dramatically reduce the risk of muscle loss and maintain your strength as you age. And this is the part most people miss. It's never too early or too late to start. Research has long emphasized the power of strength training, even with just your body weight, to combat aging and slash the risk of chronic health conditions. The NHS recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity weekly. But here's where it gets controversial. Simply staying active isn't enough. As we age, muscle mass naturally declines and joints stiffen, a process that can accelerate after 65, with some losing up to 8% muscle mass per decade. So what's the solution? Targeted exercises that focus on strength and mobility. Enter Fikri Fikriev, a physiotherapist at Physiotherapy Matters, who highlights 4 midlife-friendly exercises to ease aging, reduce back pain, and support muscle growth. Consistency is key, he stresses. But here's the kicker. These exercises are so simple, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. 1. 2-leg bridge. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the ground. Push your hips upward, forming a bridge, while keeping your tailbone tucked. This not only eases back pain, but also strengthens your core and pelvic floor. A game changer for bladder control, especially for women post-pregnancy or older adults. Want more of a challenge? Add weights or lift one leg as you thrust. 2. Wall push-ups. Perfect for beginners. Place your hands on a wall, shoulder-width apart, and push your chest toward it before returning. Keep elbows tucked for extra intensity. Beyond building upper body strength, push-ups improve heart health, aid weight loss, and lower blood pressure, benefits that extend far beyond aesthetics. 3. Sit to stand. It sounds deceptively simple, but this functional movement strengthens the muscles essential for daily activities. Add squats or lunges as you progress to boost flexibility and reduce joint pain. It's all about preserving independence as you age. 4. Calf raises. Alternate between tiptoe and flat-footed stances to improve balance, ankle stability, and lower limb circulation. This exercise isn't just about strength. It also reduces the risk of falls and tendinitis, a common issue as joints stiffen. But here's the real question. Are you willing to invest a few minutes, 3 to 4 times a week, to future-proof your body? Fikriev's advice is clear. Start now, stay consistent, and reap the rewards of a stronger, more mobile future. And this is the part most people miss. Aging doesn't have to mean decline. What's your take? Are these exercises worth adding to your routine? Or is it too much effort for too little gain? Let's discuss in the comments.